What's up mga papi? For today's video, samahan nyo ako at sabay-sabay natin i-check itong Chinese running shoes na nabili natin sa Shopee. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
So, disclaimer lang mga papi, this is not in any way sponsored by Xstep. Binili natin tong sapatos na ito out of our own pocket, and kung ano man ang feedback natin sa shoes na to, it is strictly our own observation. So, itong shoes na binili natin from Shopee is the Xstep 160X Pro from Xstep, yung Chinese shoe company founded in 1987. Sabi nila, this company is also involved in the production of Saucony, but that is not validated. So, i-comment nyo na lang mga papi kung tama o fake news yung info na yon. And ayun na nga, konting story time muna tayo. Since 6 months na rin tayong tumatakbo, naisip ko na need na talaga natin ng proper na running shoes na pang rotation dun sa Nike Waffle debut na ginagamit natin for our daily run. So originally, gusto ko sanang subukan yung Adidas Boston 12 or Adi Zero SL, kaso medyo namamahalan ako kasi 8 kyaw to 9 kyaw ang presyo. Alam nyo naman, kuripot ako, so tumingin muna tayo online. At nakita nga natin tong Xstep 160X 6.0. And unang tingin pa lang talagang nagandahan na ako sa itsura nitong sapatos na to. So ang ginawa ko, nag-research pa ako, and nalaman ko na itong shoes na to is carbon plated pala. And lalo ako nagulat nung nalaman ko yung price, dahil 'di ba pag mga carbon plated shoes usually mga 15k to 17k pataas ang presyuhan yan pero this shoes is only under 7k. According to my research, itong Xstep 160 6.0 features the Xstep Ace midsole technology. So yung emphasis ng technology na yon is to provide a stronger rebound and lightness, and of course perfectly balanced density para dun sa shoes nila. So syempre pag ganon yung profile ng shoes mo, mas maganda yung quality ng takbo mo. And then yung carbon plate na ginamit daw dito is the GT700, which is lighter and at the same time stronger than the usual carbon plate na ginagamit sa mga ibang sapatos. Tapos yung upper nito is custom jacquard fabric. I'm not really sure what that is, pero pag na-feel nyo yung upper nito, parang sobrang nipis niya, sobrang light, flexible, and breathable. Ayun nga, because of the light materials na ginamit dito, ang timbang niya nga lang niya sa size 40 is 178.8 grams nga lang. So itong Xstep Champion Series, marami pa tong ibang variant bukod dito sa 6.0 160X. So meron din Ultra Fast 5.0, meron 360X na Monster, 160X na Pro. So iba-iba siya. Hindi ko lang alam talaga kung ano yung performance nito, pero based dun sa mga YouTube review, maganda yung review nitong sapatos na to, and yun rin yung isa sa reason why bumili ako nito para ma-experience ko tong Xstep, di ba? Kasi usually ang binibili naman talaga natin yung mga Hoka, yung mga New Balance, and yung mga Adidas, and yung mga Nike, kasi doon tayo familiar. Pero siguro it's about time to experience those Chinese brands. Tingnan natin kung maganda. So kung hindi naman siya maganda, wala, ganun talaga, di ba? Bili na lang tayo ng back to basics tayo ng Adidas and New Balance. Pero baka sakaling maganda yung experience natin dito sa Xstep na to. Ganda ng materials, sobrang gaan. Carbon plated for only 6,000 plus pesos. And that's it mga papi. That's our initial review of the Xstep 160 6.0, a Chinese running shoes. The comfort, the responsiveness, di pa natin alam for now kasi hindi pa natin nasusubukan. But we will try this, and I will definitely loop you in kung ano yung experience natin dito sa shoes na to. If nagustuhan nyo yung shoes, this is available in Shopee, yung Xtep official store nila for 6,482. Parang 9,000 yung initial price niya pero pag binili mo, meron siyang discount and the price will go down to 6,400. So that's it. That's our vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Till the next Budol. Peace.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before.